We now turn to an assessment of what ISO section 8.4.3 calls warning and communication. Let's put this into some context. We have already talked about and done an assessment of incident response. Incident response takes place in roughly the first few hours following incident or disaster. It encompasses the things we need to do to get our arms around what's just happened. Soon we will be assessing how to get processes, services, and functions back up and running. This is what the ISO standard calls business continuity. But in the middle of these two areas is warning and communication. Where does this belong in context? We can think of it as underlining both incident response and business continuity. In fact, it begins even before an incident takes place. It happens throughout the life cycle of the response to and recovery from disaster, and may continue on until the organization returns to a state of new normals. So, what are the activities in warning and communication? Basically, it's what you might expect: monitoring, tracking, and disseminating information. It considers internal and external communications both before and during response to a disaster. It pays special attention to the interoperability and communications with emergency responders. As usual, we will break assessment into 3 sections, so let us begin.